Actually, your project title, which you informed with me, is Android malware detection by using federated learning. So I used federated learning here, and we are using Android malware data set. Totally one CSV files. One, this one. Actually, I'm highlighting the cursor over here. This one. One, two, three, four. These four as a data set we are using, and we are applied a federated learning part based on this. So we are going to give client will be 5, 10, and 15, and rounds will be 10 and 20. So while we are training with these four data set with these three type of client with two types of round, the result will be stored on a result folder. Actually, it takes long time for the implementation. So while executing, I can't able to capture it. First, I will show you how the implementation has been happened. So based on that, then we will proceed further. So we are using this four data set with this many rounds, with this four data set with this many rounds and this many clients. So for each time of training, we are calculating here what will be the loss, accuracy, precision, recall. These are all the things we are calculating. So for that, we are defining training and testing part. Apart from that, for each we are storing the result on rounds. Okay, so it will be stored on federated average all result.csv file, all standard result.csv file. So whatever we are calculating here, what will be the global accuracy and global loss, and what will be the global F1 score and precision recall. For this will be the validation part, and finally we are calculating FPR for this particular data set, and standard result will be the same global accuracy, global loss, F1 score, precision, recall, and validation global accuracy and FPR. So this what we had calculated. So as per the output, as per the training, so you can see over here the training part. Wait, wait. So this is for the first data set. For first data set, we are using five type of clients, and number of rounds will be 10. That is, number of time of training will be 10. Okay, so 0 to 10. You can check here the global accuracy is gradually increasing for the each training part, and the loss will be gradually decreasing for the each. These are all the FN score and remain. So why? Because we are using federated learning apart from machine learning and deep learning to achieve accuracy more. So that is the reason we are implementing by using this part federated learning with this many clients and this many rounds. So these are all the outputs of that particular rounds and uh, based on the clients. So finally, you can check here the global accuracy for the training will be 97, and for the testing you are getting nearly 99 percentage of the accuracy. Sorry, this is for the testing and that is for the training. So for 99 percentage of accuracy you are getting nearly 100 percentage of accuracy. So you reach to 99 percentage of accuracy. So furtherly, if you need to compare with the same data set with machine learning or deep learning, you just update me. I will put the comparison with the machine learning or deep learning, and we can evaluate the result by bar chart or pie chart. We can do that by using normal Jupyter itself, because it take long time for the training for this many rounds. So I choose the Google Colab.